Okay, we're doing a handlebar swap on the 2023 Nightster S, and I am putting on the reach bars. You do have to change the brake line. So I start with taking the bearers off, hand grips, switch housing and clutch, brake. All right, I got the brake line switched out. That was a bear, guys, I'm not gonna lie. You have to loosen the block that goes down to the caliper in order to get the one from the handlebar down. You just can't squeeze it in and out, or I wasn't able to anyway. So definitely something to think about. Starting to tear down the bars. Again, I'm just pulling off the perch on each side, the clutch perch, and as little as I have taken apart as possible is the best for me, but here we go. All right, bar's about to come off. I just slide one end off. Okay. The other end. And there you have it. Okay, to get that brake, you gotta remove the ECM. 2 bolts there. All right, here's the new brake cable. You know, it looks to be plenty long enough, so perfect for these reach bars, but you gotta go down here and you gotta hook it up to that ABS block here. We'll get that done. I'm gonna do the line change before I even pull the new or the old bars off. So that's just fine. My thought. All right, this is my little mid-shift to catch the oil or the fluid. All right, bleeding the brakes. You can see these air bubbles. They all gotta come out. See that there? So the brakes bled out, and we'll check for leaks, and we should be good to go. All right. Another thing to be mindful for is getting air in your master cylinder. See if I can catch this. I'm just tapping the lever. The air bubbles are coming out. So just another heads up. All right, got the new bars installed. Just gonna put that grip on. Brake line's plenty long enough. And it gives me the perfect reach